If you want to open Microsoft Edge from command prompt, this is one of the fastest tricks you can use, and it takes just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can launch Edge directly from CMD without having to search for it manually. This is a really useful Windows tip, whether you want a quicker workflow, are troubleshooting, or just want to learn a simple command that can save you time every day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the command prompt on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing command prompt, or by searching for CMD and opening it from the results. Once the command prompt window is open, you'll see a black terminal screen where you can type your command. Now all you need to do is type start Msedge and then press enter on your keyboard. That's it. Windows will immediately launch Microsoft Edge for you. The word start tells command prompt to open a program, and Msedge is the command for Microsoft Edge. So when you put them together, you're telling Windows to start Edge right away. If Edge is installed correctly on your system, it should open within a moment. This is especially handy if you want a quick way to access the browser without using the desktop icon, taskbar, or start menu. You can also use this method while working in the terminal or running other commands, which makes it great for power users and anyone who prefers keyboard shortcuts and fast navigation. If for some reason Edge does not open, make sure Microsoft Edge is installed on your PC and that your Windows system recognizes the command properly. In most cases though, Start Msedge will work instantly, and that's how you open Microsoft Edge from command prompt in the simplest way possible. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.